Hello, you guys. It has been a minute, and I know you guys are probably like, why are we stopping the Disney vlogs? Okay, I've been a little MIA, and I want to kind of share why. And it's nothing, nothing bad. Everybody's fine. Everybody's good. It's nothing. It's just real life is getting difficult. It gets stressful. This is that one point in the part of your life where it's so exciting and it's so stressful all at the same time. I have missed you guys. I have really missed the consistency of our content, and I am so sorry it is taking so long. You guys usually know, especially in the beginning when I had 2 YouTube channels, I was doing 3 videos a week, and it was fine. I was able to do it. Then I kind of condensed the channel and went down to 1. And I would at least have 1 to 2 videos a week come out, but I have been struggling with even that. It has been a journey that I have been happy to ride along and explore and go down that route. But I have a little update. I'm not gonna drag it out or anything. Well, I guess I could just show you. It makes it a little easier. We are moving, and we are moving today. So I am excited to share all of that. I am not going to go into, big detail of how we got here and stuff like that, because that's just kind of boring. We were kind of going back and forth if we were going to move to a different area or we were going to stay in the similar area where we were. And honestly, that other area is where I go shopping all the time. It's more of like a little city. It has more of like a city atmosphere, and we chose country, and that was our plan this whole time. We'll have to go into all of that and the details in that another day. Maybe I'll do that more of like a personal thing, and we'll do that in like a Q&A on Instagram or something like that, and maybe we can do a YouTube live and I can share like more of that. But yeah, it has been our plan to move for a while. We sold our house, oh my gosh, a while ago now, and we sold it with the height of the market, and then came into a rental. And like I said, I'll go into more details later, but we were very happy with the selling of our house, and we actually at the time broke a record for the highest price per square foot. So we tried to get everything that we could, and we put in a pool and stuff like that. I'll show a little bit of clips of that house. You guys have never seen that house, and you guys have never even kind of heard that journey. But again, we'll go into that another day if you guys have questions on that. It's pretty personal, I guess. When you're talking about selling a home and stuff like that, it's a little bit more personal, but I've been so excited to share this. It has been a journey. One house that we've been looking at, we looked at last November, and I have been hooked on that house, trying to make it work. It was not working, and I was actually trying to make it work for months and months, and there was renters in there, and it was an investment property, and they were selling it, and it needed a lot of work. Let's just say that. I'm not going to go into a dollar amount, but a quarter of the price of the house, the purchase price that we were going to buy the house for, was going to be in renovations, and that's on the very low end. Where this house that we bought is very different. It does need some updates, but it's beautiful. It's very beautiful. It reminds us both of home. If you guys don't know, I'm from Minnesota and my husband is from Wyoming, and we are country people. We grew up country. We never grew up city, but it was kind of a city area that we were looking at that we just loved. But I'm actually really happy about our choice. My husband just brought the kids to school. They're probably about to go in the doors here in about 10 minutes. I need to load up my car because we have been on some really fun journeys, and I'm excited. So I'm not going to give you guys a full house tour today, but I want to bring you guys along, show you guys little bits and pieces, and just share an exciting journey with you guys, because it's a dream come true. This is definitely a house that we'll be in for a very long time. It is a lot larger. It's almost double the size of the house that we sold before, and it's on a little over 1.5 acres. So she's a good house. She's a good house. The floor plan, you guys, oh my God, the floor plan is like to die for. It's a really cute, very unique house. But the floor plan's perfect. So if that's something you guys want to see, if you guys want to see like a house tour of once we get like what we have in there, I have a lot of shopping to do, a lot of decorating to do. When I transition this channel to have it not be just luxury items and kind of share everything in between, you know, like everything from mom life to travel to home, just real life. That was kind of the choice that I wanted to make and the change that I wanted. So I'm happy I did it because now I can share all of this with you. So let me know in the comments, what are you wanting to see? Are you wanting to see some DIYs? There will be a lot of that. Are you wanting to see some home renovation stuff? Do you want to see moving in? Do you want to see furniture buying? Do you want to see thrifting? Oh my God, I've become slightly addicted to thrifting. The algorithm has totally changed for me on social media and it shows me all of the thrifting things and I'm addicted. So I'm gonna show you all that. But yeah, let's go ahead. I need to, like I said, pack up my car. I already have a U-Haul full. We opted out of movers again this time just because I am a sweat equity gal. Like I am a blood, sweat, and tears gal. I am a save a buck girl. I would rather spend that buck on, you know, shopping and fun things for the house and travel and stuff. So if I can save and do some sweat equity, I'm definitely for it. My husband is not. He hates moving. I've moved a lot. He has lived, I think, in like 8 different states with his job and that. But let's go ahead and pack up the car. Let's get going and let me go close on this house. I have to go pick up our internet stuff. And then we're gonna head out there. She's a little dirty. She's been sitting out for a little while. And a property management company has owned it, and they haven't cleaned it. They staged it and everything, and they did some renovations, but they never cleaned after the renovation. So I do have to do a little bit of cleaning, but oh my God, she's just dreamy. She's really unique. She's a really cool house. Like, wait till you see the kitchen. Like, she's really unique, and I'm so excited. She's dark. There's no street lights, and it's a very, very small neighborhood. Very small neighborhood, and they're all like acreage homes that are in the neighborhood, and there's like 50 homes, not even 50 homes. There's like 30 some homes, I think, in the neighborhood. So that's really awesome because she's really quiet, but there are no street lights or nothing. So I had to go there last night because I accidentally had a delivery go there, and it was like food. I went there and picked it up last night, and it was pitch dark, and there were no lights, no nothing, which I'm all about and love. But we're gonna have to get some uplighting on those trees and that. And I got ones where they change colors, so for the different holidays and decorating the seasons. I'm so excited. And this is a very southern house, so I think you guys are gonna love it. I love it. I think you guys will love it as much as I do. But I gotta stop talking. I'm probably rambling your ear off. It's probably 10 minutes of just talking here, but I'm just excited to share everything with you and just bring you guys along. I've missed you, and I'm excited for you guys to be a part of our dream home process and moving in and really enjoying it. And if you guys are up north, it's a very different type of home. This is a very southern home. Very, very southern. Giant front porch. She's adorable. I love it. I can't wait to show you. Okay, I'm gonna be really dark. I know I am. I don't have any lamps in here anymore. I don't have all the lightings on, but I'm getting ready to pack up. You can see the dogs are like, are we going? Are we not going? Not yet. Not yet, guys. Okay, so I've already kind of packed up my car, which I'll show you once I get there. Got my check, which is like, oh, so much money, but you're investing in your future, right? Okay, so I am grabbing my keys. We're not taking my car, but my driver's license, that is in here. Check, driver's license, coffee. Gotta have my coffee. It is very hot and humid here. It's like the hottest it's been. Like, it's already in the 90s here this week. Bad timing, but at least we're not getting rain. We did get a major rain event in our area. There's a couple lakes in that here that flood really bad, and the rivers that flood, and it's horrible. Like, when that happens and stuff like that, I don't know if you guys remember Hurricane Harvey. It affected our area real bad. Not in Rockport. I actually have family that go to Rockport and that, but in the Houston area up north here, it flooded pretty significantly, and this was very close to Harvey because it was a rain event like it was for Harvey for us. So there's a significant amount of flooding. I was able to go out there though to see how it fares with the weather, because the road that it's on, it is a 1-lane, windy, beautiful road. I mean, it's all ranches and longhorns and horses. It is beautiful. Very windy though. The speed limit is 35, and I would not speed on that road. but it was beautiful. So I was able to see, but now after all the rain and the storms, she's hot. So I did grab some Gold Bond. My husband's like, was in the boxes last night. Where is the Gold Bond? I grabbed that. And then I also got Bare Back and Body. I got some allergy medicine for my kids. I just made sure I set this out. I should have I'll grab a big baggie from the pantry. The pantry is still full, stocked like normal because we've had to live the last couple days. I also grabbed nasal spray for the kids and I, and then some Tylenol and sunscreen. So that was kind of my survival kit for like necessities. I need to have it in my hand with my keys to make sure I have it, like the important stuff. So I said it's on that little, console that I have my TV on in my living room that's still in here. But I mean, everything else, she's gone. There's 2 dogs. I don't know if you guys can see Harley sitting here. Of course, he's watching, and Lincoln's like, dude, I'm over this already. They're not coming for a couple days. But I'm going to grab this stuff. I'm going to grab Big Baggie. But just kind of having all of this, like the important stuff, including Stanley's full of water. I have a delivery coming today. We have appliances coming tomorrow. It has all new appliances, but instead of doing a standard fridge in Texas, you don't get your refrigerator or a washer and dryer. That does not come with a home. You have to bring that. So we just got new appliances. I did get a Sub-Zero fridge, which I'm super excited about. The kitchen needs a little tweaking, but it should fit where a normal fridge would go. There's a big, I'll show you guys all, but I'm probably not gonna show you the entire house, but I'm gonna show you little touches of the house and see things. And then this will probably be over the next couple days, or at least probably 2 days of like showing you guys stuff. But yes, I have my coffee. I'm gonna grab a bag, pack this up. Jason should be here any minute to pick me up. And it's closing day. So I'll give you guys like a little sneak peek. We have like a really pretty office in there and another guest bedroom and bathroom and lots of storage, a big living room. And then that's actually gonna be my gym. And then the big kitchen in here. Our family can like grow in here. And aren't these cabinets so pretty? I just love the color. Like, I just think they're so fun. I gotta think where all the light switches are. So you guys can kind of see, we actually have to do some tweaking in here. But I had to show you guys like a little sneak peek because she's just so cute. This is actually gonna get moved here and that's gonna get closed off. I think I'm gonna have to give you guys a whole house tour so you guys can kind of see, so then we can have all these fun projects together. But yeah, she's so pretty. She's a little dirty. You can see like there's been like some mosquitoes and dead bugs in that here. Pest control is actually gonna be here really soon. Oh my God, there's a cardinal right here. There's there's a cardinal and all the birds. And actually our property goes way farther back and way farther out on each side, way more than you guys can see here. But yeah, and we got a lot of rain, so you can see the traction when they just mowed. But can you guys see the cardinal way out there? I love cardinals. So we're just gonna have so much fun here together, and this is just a really short video. I know it's just a little teaser, but I'm just so excited to share it with you guys. Excuse me. I need to get unpacked. I have appliances coming tomorrow. We have things to unpack, and to be honest, like, that's hard to like move in and try and film. I'm not ready for that yet, but I can't wait to share everything with you guys. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments below of what you guys would like. But if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys are excited, you know, put little house emojis down in the comment box. I would love to see and hear from you guys. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe, turn that notification bell so you guys will be notified too when all of these new house videos come up. I will get back to the Disney content and everything and speed that up so we can get back on track and we can be like here in the house enjoying everything together. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.